Hey guys, welcome to TechBiz. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to remove friends on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom of your screen. Scroll down and find the Friends section. Now, tap on the See All Friends option. From the list of your friends, select the friend that you want to remove. Tap on the three dots icon right beside their profile. Finally, tap on the Unfriend option. A confirmation message will appear. Confirm that you want to unfriend this person by tapping on the OK button. And that's it. This is how you can remove friends on Facebook. Thank you for watching TechBiz. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.